Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. You need to begin by opening Recorder app. Following that, select this microphone at the top right corner to set up perfect format for you. If you wish to access list of all your recordings, click on this button with 3 lines at the top right corner as well. To start your recording, select this blue button. If you never used Recorder before, select Allow in all pop-ups. Then choose OK. And as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the flag one. And to add a photo bookmark, on the camera one. Now take a picture. If you wish to discard it and go back, select this X on the right. If you wish to just retake it, tap on this arrow on the left. Then take it again. To add it though, select check mark in the middle. When you wish to, you can always end your recording by choosing Done on the right. Then name it however you want to and tap on Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!